Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make X-slide edits. First, understand that an X-slide edit is a dynamic visual sequence, often characterized by quick cuts and synchronized effects. These edits are incredibly popular for their ability to convey information or emotion rapidly. You'll need video editing software like DaVinci Resolve or Adobe Premiere Pro, plus a good collection of images or video clips to start. Let's dive into the basics. Begin by selecting compelling images or video clips that fit your theme. The key to an effective X-slide edit is precise timing. Synchronize your cuts and transitions to a beat or a specific audio cue. Don't forget to add simple text overlays, perhaps with a clean font and a size around 24 points, to highlight key information without overwhelming the visuals. Ready to elevate your edits? Explore advanced techniques such as motion tracking for dynamic text or object animations. Layering sound effects and music, ensuring a balanced audio mix with a peak around -6 decibels, can dramatically increase impact. Finally, master color grading to create a cohesive visual style across all your clips, making your X-slide edit truly stand out. To truly master X-slide edits, consistent practice is your best friend. Experiment with different software features and visual styles. Don't hesitate to explore online tutorials and communities. There's a wealth of knowledge out there, often shared by creators with years of experience. Remember to check the description for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals and resources. Keep creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.